Man, this math homework is so hard and confusing. At this rate, I'll never finish using the box method. I wish that there was a way to do this without me repeatedly banging my head against the wall, getting dazed and staring off into space, and missing my extracurricular activities that I should be doing after homework.
Has this ever happened to you? Have you ever wanted to find a simpler way to do math without banging your head against the wall repeatedly, getting dazed and staring off into space, and missing your extracurricular activities that you should be doing after homework, but can't because you're doing homework? Well, luckily there's an app for that. No, there's not, but it's called the Quadratic Formula. See, the box method requires for you to use a box to factor it and an x to factor it also, and it takes up to about 8 extra seconds of your precious hours to do so. But luckily, by using the quadratic formula, you don't have to do any boxes or any x's or any o's or any other shapes to memorize. All you have to do is memorize a really long formula that you have to look back at your notes up to 5 times a problem to see if you did it right.
Really? The quadratic formula?
Yep, the quadratic formula. It's only x equals b plus or minus radical b squared minus 4ac over 2a.
That's not complicated at all!
Nope, and if it's the least bit complicated, luckily there's an app for that. Once again, no, there's a saying.
What's the saying?
The saying is, a sad boy was feeling wishy-washy about going to the radical party. He was feeling kind of square and nervous about meeting the 4 awesome cheerleaders, but he knew it would all be over by 2 a.m. You might wonder how that has to do with anything that we're talking about. Well, here's how. A sad boy, negative b, was feeling wishy-washy, plus or minus, about going to the radical party. There's a radical sign if you don't see it. He was feeling kind of square, b squared, about meeting the 4 awesome cheerleaders. 4AC, awesome cheerleaders. But he knew it would all be over 2A. M.
That's amazing!
Do you understand, Devin?
I completely understand. Thanks!
You're welcome, Devin. See you next time.